Built for convoy duty and patrolling shallow bays in the Atlantic and Pacific, 38 of these depth-charge-laden sub-killers left Sturgeon Bay waters to hunt for the silent, terrorizing Japanese subfleet and German wolf pack.
450 ships were sunk along the east coast of this country by German submarines. That's a lot of tonnage to lose in a short period of time.
The people going to Florida in 1941, 42 could see the submarines sinking the freighters right off the coast of Florida while they were out on the beaches. You know, we needed something to combat those submarines.
They started out with the PCs, which are sub-chasers. They were about 173 feet by 24 feet. They carried about 73 men.
I went aboard the PC in July of 1944 at Tulagi, which is in the Solomon Islands. We would escort ships from Tulagi over to New Guinea and around the islands up there.
Launched on the 4th of July in 1942, the PC-590 saw extensive action in the South Pacific.
It did convoy duty and escort duty, anti-submarine patrol, which was probably one of our main jobs. We would patrol around the islands and up the channels, looking for Japanese subs that would come in and work these small harbors and wait for the ships to bring convoys to come in. We would run around the convoy trying to pick up the submarine contact, which would be a ping. And if we did, then of course, then we dropped depth charges on it. I never heard anybody say anything negative about the PCs or the ships that were manufactured in Sturgeon Bay. They were all very well thought of.
They were extremely important to our war effort. I don't think we would have survived without them.